Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by ensuring you have admin rights and enough disk space. System Restore saves system files and registry so you can revert bad changes. Once ready, open Start and Type, create a restore point to open system properties. Make sure system protection is turned on for your system drive, adjust the disk usage slider to reserve space, then click Create. Name the point with a short date and reason so you recognize it later. Wait for the confirmation that the restore point was successfully created. You restore by opening System, Restore from System Properties, or Settings right arrow Recovery. This launches the wizard that walks you through picking a restore point. Once you pick one, click Scan for affected programs to see which apps or drivers will be removed or restored. This helps you anticipate follow-up steps. Make sure to save open files, then confirm and allow Windows to restart. The process applies the snapshot to system files and the registry. When the PC restarts, check that the issue is resolved and logins work as expected. Once the restore completes and you confirm system stability, create a new restore point to capture the repaired state. This keeps a fallback in place. Make sure to reinstall or update any drivers or apps the scan reported as affected and run Windows Update to get security fixes. If the restore fails, don't panic. Reboot into safe mode and retry, or run SFC and DISM to repair system files. If those fail, use a system image or the Windows recovery environment to perform a repair install or boot repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.